I tried Yoroi Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Yoroi Wallet app, I expected a lightweight crypto wallet for Cardano. But after 7 days of testing it, the shocking truth is that Yoroi is much more powerful than it looks, yet it comes with a few surprises you should know about before using it. On day 1, the installation was smooth. Yoroi is built by Emergo, one of the core Cardano companies, and you can tell right away it's designed with security and simplicity in mind. It's a browser extension and mobile app that lets you manage ADA and other Cardano-based tokens. By day 2, I noticed just how fast it runs. Unlike the full Cardano node wallet, Daedalus, Yoroi is a light wallet, meaning it connects directly to trusted servers instead of downloading the entire blockchain. Transactions were confirmed in seconds, which was a relief for anyone tired of long sync times. Midweek, I explored staking. Most people get this wrong. They think staking requires locking up funds, but with Yoroi, you can delegate your ADA to a pool and still keep full control of your coins. I joined a pool and started earning rewards automatically. It felt effortless. By day 6, I tested its integration with Ledger hardware wallets, and it worked flawlessly. Security-wise, your private keys never leave your device, and the interface keeps everything clear and accessible. After 7 days, the truth became clear. Yoroi isn't just a convenient Cardano wallet. It's a gateway to decentralized finance within the Cardano ecosystem, offering speed, safety, and staking in one clean package. If you want a lightweight, reliable wallet to manage your ADA without the bulk of a full node, Yoroi delivers exactly that. Simple, efficient, and built for Cardano enthusiasts who value both performance and control.